in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Whiteside County, northeastern Henry County, northwestern Bureau County, until 10 p.m. At 9:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Geneseo, or 12 miles north of Cambridge, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Atkinson around 9:15 p.m. Annawan and Hoopal around 9:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Deer Grove and Walnut. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.